This is Amy, a mother of two kids. Amy is a procurement professional. She selects suppliers and negotiates for a living. She knows to get the best value, it's not just about looking at who has the lowest price. It's also about what do you get behind the price. Having different options to compare gives her power and confidence to make the right choice of what's the best for her company. When it comes to getting the best value for her family, like buying a new car, a vacation package, or insurances, Amy wants options too. Well, this usually means doing online research, learning a new industry, making phone calls around to explain her needs, and finally comparing options and hoping she is expert enough to pick the right one. The challenge is all of this takes time, and Amy doesn't seem to have enough time these days. Hmm. Every day, Amy and her husband Mike are running between school and work, balancing after-school activities, grocery shopping, and making dinners. They also try to make time for themselves, like going on a date, planning a family vacation, picking up a hobby, or just do nothing. Their insurance is up for renewal. Looking at their premium went up again. This time, Amy and Mike decided to try something different. Amy called Chris, who works for an independent insurance agency called Essential Insurance Services. Chris asked a few simple questions about her and her family and what she's looking for. His experience and local market knowledge told him that there are a few insurance companies will fit her needs. Chris ran what he learned about Amy through his company's rating system and got quotes from several A-rated insurance providers. Some quotes looked competitive, some were not. Chris knows exactly why and is ready to share his thoughts with Amy. Chris called Amy back with the top options he found. He walked Amy through the differences in rates and coverages among these options and compared them with what she has today. Now, with these real options in hand and expert knowledge from Chris, Amy was able to quickly assess and make the best choice for her family. She not only has the same or better coverages, her annual premium also went down. The best part is she knows she can do it all by herself, but she doesn't have to. With the extra time Chris saves her, Amy can now do more of what she really enjoys in life. Be like Amy. Save time and empower yourself with real choices. Call Chris today and find out what Essential Insurance Services can do for you.